Yo, there's an ambulance behind us. Turn on the lights, turn on the sirens, everything. We're gonna help them. We got you, ambulance. We got you.
If today's a good Friday, raise your hands.
Yes, today
Freaking sucks, dude.
So I put this in here, right?
Okay.
Yeah, right there, because it was missing one. So now he's gonna try to find bigger matching stuff to replace both with again.
So they're both the same?
I told him this one has a washer and this one doesn't, and he was about to take this off to take the washer off.
Look what he's doing right now. Trying to match washers and bolts on either side of a diffuser.
Perfect weight distribution. I was ordering some titanium ones. Titanium's so rice.
Oh! We have a brand new X7 in today. The infamous big kidney grills.
BMW X7 X-Drive 40i. Get the name right.
Here's my thought on this. I say within 2 to 3 years, people are gonna like it.
Yeah, I mean, this has already been out for like a year and a half.
So we're gonna be tinting this car. We gotta remove the old tint first from the dealership, and then we're gonna be tinting it with actually good tint.
See what that says?
Individual.
It means it has an individual interior.
Dodge Ram that we got in had much better details in the interior.
Dang.
I'm serious, it did.
Better details, but was it nicer quality?
I'm not sure about that, but details for sure. USB-C in the back of the seat? Wow. Just got done tinting this brand new BMW X7. Client wanted to go with a darker film, so we decided to do Cerelux 20 for the size in the back window. Originally, wasn't sure about doing the front windshield, but after he picked up the car, brought it back because all the heat he's feeling is coming from the front. So we tinted the front windshield in PhotoSync 70. Every window in this X7 is blocking a lot of heat, keeping the interior nice and cool. What? Another Aston?
This one's gonna be fun.
What are we doing in this one?
Full wrap.
What color are we wrapping this?
Yeah, he saw my car. He's like, what is this? Satin black. I want this.
So before we can actually start wrapping this thing, we are in the process of taking things apart that need to be taken apart to get a nice clean wraparound. Removing these badges, this chrome trim, and even these lights here. So we got the trim off, the badging. We had to take off the tail light. You guys saw that trim I was showing you guys earlier? Most of the time, that's plastic. These are not plastic. These are actual full, solid metal pieces just for the trim. Isn't that crazy? Because I mean, it shows the quality, right?
You're about to see me fully glass right here.
That looks so good. I taught you so well.
Moments later. More moments later. Just then.
We are finally done working on this Aston Martin DBS. As you guys originally saw, the car was entirely this silvery gray color. It is now super sporty, satin black, all the way around. From the front bumper to the back bumper, everything has been wrapped. The hood, the fenders, the bumper, the roof, rear, even the door handles. And to do as clean of a job as we possibly can, we removed everything that we could, like the headlights, the trim pieces, the badges, even the vents on the hood, just so that we can minimize as much of the seams as possible so it looks as clean as it can. We even wrapped the middle of the taillights that were once color matched gray to the rest of the car. It's all about the details, you know? The satin black definitely sets the car apart from the rest and makes the chrome trims pop even more. And to top the whole thing off, we ceramic coated the entire thing. Cleaning and washing the car will be so much faster now. Overall, I'm really happy with how this project turned out. Color looks good, car looks good, the client's gonna be happy. If you guys want to do the same thing to your car, you know where to find us. Hit us up. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Tyler? Help. Tyler, what are you doing up there, bro?
I've risen and I can't get
Oh, you found Dustin's board of most hated musicians.
Oh, I thought this was best. Damn, he put Coldplay at the top. That's cold.
Okay, yeah, stateside. It's even cheaper than the silver one. It has less miles. I have to paint the rear bumper.
Okay.
Maybe not that big of a deal. This car sits outside, I can tell. It was kind of under the cover, but sun would probably get to the sides.
He was there. He
You
watched
can
it its
tell.
whole life.
I just see something that bothers me. That's rust. Why is it orange? Anyways, look how faded that
He's not
is.
gonna
Look.
buy it.
I mean, it lived by the ocean in Japan. No rust.
Japan is like in the ocean.